Yesterday I have given you some of the questions for practice. We are discussing its solution. So check the solutions you have done in your home with the solutions I am giving you. We have to find the conjugate of 1 upon 3 plus 4 iota. This is a solution. 1 upon 3 plus 4 iota, conjugate becomes 1 upon 3 plus 4 iota with bar. It becomes 1 upon 3 minus 4 iota. Now to solve it, as to remove the imaginary number from the denominator, we have to multiply divide with its conjugate, that is 3 plus 4 iota in the numerator, 3 plus 4 iota in the denominator. On solving it, we get 3.25 plus 4.25 iota, that is known as the conjugate of the complex number. And the question number 2, we have to find the real values of x and y if 1 plus iota into x minus 2 iota upon 3 plus iota, 2 minus 3 iota y plus iota upon 3 minus iota is equal to iota. You have to find the real values of x and y. Now 1 plus iota x minus 2 iota upon 3 plus iota, 2 minus 3 iota y plus iota upon 3 minus iota is equal to iota. Simply take the LCM. 1 plus iota x minus 2 iota into 3 minus iota, 2 minus 3 iota into y plus iota into 3 plus iota upon 3 plus iota 3 minus iota. In the denominator it becomes 9 minus iota square. It becomes 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 को यहाँ ऊपर ले आएंगे. And solving these terms. After solving, collect the terms for iota and the terms without iota. So we get 4x plus 9y is equal to 13 and 2x minus 7y is equal to 3. These are two equations. Solve these two equations and get the value of x and y. So solving these equations, you get the value of y as minus 1 and x as 3. Now another question is 1 minus iota upon 1 plus iota to the power 100 is equal to a plus iota b. We have to find the value of a and b here. So multiplying and dividing by the conjugate in this bracket, that is 1 minus iota in the numerator and with 1 minus iota in the denominator, it becomes 1 minus iota whole square. In denominator we get 1 square minus iota square. Expanding it, 1 plus iota square minus 2 iota upon 1 plus 1. 1 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, minus iota to the power 100, minus to the power 100 becomes positive. It can be written as iota to the power 4 to the power 25 and the value of iota to the power 4 is 1. So 1 to the power 25 is 1. A plus iota b is equal to 1. You can write it as 1 plus 0 iota. 1 की जगह हम क्या लिख लेंगे 1 plus 0 iota a plus iota b. On equating real and imaginary part, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Now next question given, iota to the power 5 plus iota to the power 6 plus iota to the power 7 plus iota to the power 8 plus iota to the power 9 upon 1 plus iota. Simply first of all we have to solve it breaking the powers in the form of iota to the power 4 into iota, iota to the power 4 into 2, iota to the power 4 into iota to the power 3, iota to the power 4 whole square, iota to the power 4 square into iota. Now the value of iota to the power 4 is 1, iota as it is, iota square becomes minus 1, iota cube is minus iota. This whole value becomes 1, it becomes 1 into iota. Now solving it, we get only iota upon 1 plus iota, multiply and divide with the conjugate. What the value do we get? 1 plus iota upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 plus iota upon 2. Same is the question number 5. Bracket iota to the power 592 as iota to the power 4 into 148. It is 590 can be written as 4 into 147 into iota square and so on. On solving, what the value do we get? It is minus 1. This is the question number 6. In the question number 6, we have given the complex number 1 upon 2 plus 3 iota whole square and we have to find the mod of z. Simply expand it. We get here minus 5 plus 12 iota. Now multiply with y is conjugate. In the conjugate we have to change the sign of the imaginary part. The real part remain as it is. So it becomes here minus 5 minus 12 iota upon minus 5 minus 12 iota. Multiply and divide we get minus 5 upon 169 minus 12 upon 169 iota. Mod of z is given by the square root of sum of square of real part and the imaginary part. Real part is minus 5 upon 16 whole square. It is minus 12 upon 16 whole square. On solving we get the value as 1. Another is x plus iota y whole cube a plus iota b. Expand it, x cube plus iota cube y cube 3 iota xy x plus iota y. Collecting the real part and the imaginary part. On comparing we get x cube minus 3xy square is equal to a 3x square y minus y cube as b. Same is the question in the NCERT I have discussed with you earlier. Taking x as common, so it is a upon x. Taking y as common, taking y as the denominator. Now find the value of a upon x plus b upon y. Here you have to make a correction in the question. In the question I have written x upon a plus y upon b, but it is a upon x plus b upon y. Now place the values, take the 4 as common. ठीक है, we get value as x 4 times of x square minus y square. In the last question, that is 1 plus iota to the power n, 1 plus iota to the power n minus 2. We can break it as 1 plus iota to the whole power n, 1 plus iota to the power 1 minus iota to the power n into 1 minus iota to the power minus 2. Taking whole power n as it is, 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota to the power n, and it becomes 1 minus iota to the power 2. Now rationalize it. In the bracket, what do we get? We get 2 iota upon 2 to the power n. And in the outer of this bracket, 1 minus iota square on the expanding, we get here minus 2 iota. Is iota to the power n minus 2 iota. You can write it as minus 2 iota to the power n plus 1. Now we want the real value of this n. To get the real value, this n plus 1 must be equal to 2. Because if the power of iota is 2, it is minus 1. If the power of iota is 4, it is 1. If the power of iota is 6, as iota is power is 6, then its value is again minus 1. So we have considered here n plus 1 must be equal to 246 if we want this whole value as a real value. If n plus 1 is equal to 2, the value of n becomes 1. If n plus 1 is equal to 4, n becomes 3. N plus 1 is equal to 6, it becomes 5. Therefore smallest positive integer value of n is 1, because we have to find the smallest positive integer. And that's all of the solutions. Check your solutions with the solutions I have given to you. Thank you.